I will show you how to create a super cool idea for your future videos by using CapCut application on your phone. So if you're ready to create something similar today, download CapCut application on your phone and let's create some magic. As you understood already, I will share with you my screen on phone so you could follow each step and repeat the same. So open CapCut application on your phone, tap New Project, and okay, I will not show here how many different files I have because it's really mess. So as you can see, this is a very sweet and romantic video that me and Max are dancing near the frozen lake. This is very sweet, but I need to cut it a little bit just to have something to work with. To cut the clip, you just need to select the clip and click on the split. This action will allow you to split the track, and we need to delete the part we don't need anymore. Okay, this is the ending. That is default, so I will delete it too. Now we have the 4 seconds video. The next step, we are going to open, guess what? Instagram application. So here you can see my wonderful page, and if you still don't follow, what is going on with you? At this stage, we need to create a story. So we click on the plus icon and just click on the creating story. Click on the 2A letters from the left side. To start, write any text. Here you can write just anything you wish. I will write hi. This is just to like a placeholder. We need to switch the background behind the text on green color. Just click on the green color, on the green circle, and hold the screen to make all background green. Click done, and you can delete now this wonderful word. The next step, we are going to the music. To add the music and words we want to appear from the behind. So I will just type the name of the music I want to use. I click on it, and you can see that already I have the caption mode of the music, but still, if you don't see it, you can just click on different parts on different modes that Instagram allows you to choose with exact this music. Please pay attention, this is not for all tracks you can find in Instagram, so some of them may have the lyrics, some of them may not. So you just need to play and search a little bit. I will just use this kind of text. I will place it in the middle, and I cannot show you right now because I'm already recording my screen, but you need to record this part of the song that we could just edit later. So we came back to the CapCut, and now the magic will happen. What we need to do? Just click on the icon that is named overlay and click on this little plus icon, add overlay. Right now you need to add the video that we just created by recording our stories in Instagram. You add this video and just place it perfectly on my opinion, and that's what we have. Oh, I see the text is missing a little bit here. I will just cut the end of my video. When you perfectly place text in your video, just go into icon that is called cut out and from a K. Just click on it. At this moment, you need to pick up the color you wish to delete. So we pick up a green color, go into the intensity, and just start to increase the reset to make the green background completely disappear. Let's see how it looks like right now. Yes, it looks great. And right now we need just to save the clip. So click on the arrow and it will be export. Click done, and right now you need to again come back to your clip. So we need to delete this text video. Just click on the icon delete, and again click on the plus icon to add a new overlay. And this new overlay will be the video that we just created with you. So click it, add it, and fit it perfectly to the frame. And the most important step, select the video that you just added and click on the icon that is named main track. So this video appeared from above. Right now we need to switch to the video that was from above, and we need to place it on the second line. To make this, you just need to select the video and click on the icon that is named overlay. Just drag the video clip under each other. Great. And the most amazing thing that CapCut allows you to do, you can cut out yourself from the video, and this is really cool. Just look at this. You need to select the video where you want to cut out yourself and go to the icon that is named cut out. and click on the remove background. It will take some time, just a few seconds, and let's see the final results. Amazing, huh? Okay, one more thing. You can see that words that appear from the behind have some green tint that is not really pretty cool. So to remove this green tint, just select the video clip, click on the arrow, and here you can see the icons are named Adjust. We are go to the section that is named HSL, choose green color and make the saturation 0. Great, done. And let's look what do we have in the final result. Ta-da! Okay guys, hope you really enjoyed this amazing tutorial by using CapCut on your phone and creating amazing text overlay on your videos. If you really did, please let me know with your thumbs up, with your comments down below, and of course with your subscription on my channel, because it's really important for me. I hope you really learned something new today. So I will be happy if you will leave for me some note in comment section and let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. And just thank you for visiting my channel and watching this video. Many love!